shortcuts for getting MLA data. And it should save you a lot of time. Make sure that you check what you generate using these methods with the guides I have given you and that are posted on the Fusion site. The first one we're going to look at is pulling an MLA right out of a database article. Database articles are very useful, and I think that if you use databases, it will save you a lot of time. Here is how we get to them. You start at the Fusion page, you go to the Library Media Center, and once you get to the Library Media Center, you're going to want to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says Databases. Now there are two that we are going to use here, ProQuest and Culturegrams. I'm going to start with, or we're going to use ProQuest as an example. You have a card from the library that has all of the databases on them. So you're going to want to type in from that card your username, which for ProQuest is 23-104777, and the password is BigChalk, BIGCHALK, no caps, no gaps. Go down to the My Products page, and this is going to take you to a link to eLibrary. Go there, and I think that your best sources are going to be newspapers and magazines, so I would eliminate those sources that you don't think you're going to use. There we go. So let's type in Affordable Care Act, assuming that we are using the Affordable Care Act topic, and we're going to click search, and this is going to bring us to a page where we will find lots of articles. Now if you scroll down the page, there are a whole bunch listed here. Up at the top of the page, though, notice that they have actually organized them. So I think I'm going to go to Analysis and Opinion and see if I can find some good analysis articles. I go here and I have found one about lawmakers sparring over the Congressional Budget Office's health findings, and so we're going to click on that. And that takes us to this article, and I'm going to assume that we have looked it over and want to use it. So now we need to make a citation. We click Citation View, and notice here there are two styles, MLA and APA. We use MLA, so all we need to do here is to highlight, copy, and paste it into whatever document we wish. And that is the shortcut. Another shortcut would be to use a machine like BibMe. And so if we were going to want to do that, some of you may be using Citation Machine as well, is you would go back to the Reagan site. You would want to go to Class Pages, and you would then go to Team Lincoln and Language Arts. Doesn't really matter which class, they all will have the same information. Once that opens up, you're going to scroll down to Files. You have the research paper folder here, and within the research paper folder is a document called Tools, which will open up, and it looks like this. And there's a couple of hyperlinks, one to BibMe, one to Citation Machine. Choose whichever one you want, click on it, it will take you there. So if we had gone to BibMe, this is what BibMe looks like. And so what you want to do, if you have a book, you want to click on Book, and if you simply type in the URL, the ISBN code, which you'll find on the back of the book. You type it in here, and this is an ISBN code. And we click search books. It should give us a choice of a couple of books here. And so it's The Book Thief. I'm going to take this one on top. We'll click select. And then it tells us everything that it has found. It does not have the publication city here though, but at any rate we'll have it create the citation, and it should bring up a citation, and it has everything in it but the city. So I'm going to want to go back to the previous frame. Looking on the back of the cover page, I find that the city it was published in was New York, and so we put that in, and we have okay. And now we can go ahead and create the citation again, and we will have a complete citation. And again, all you have to do here now is to click copy and paste. And you can paste it in onto any document you wish. If we go back to the main page, if you have a magazine article that you're working on, the way to make BibMe work well for you is to, well, click on magazine first, and then you can click on manual entry. I've not found this to be very useful as far as just entering an author or an article topic. If you click on manual entry, it will give you a series of blanks to fill in, and then after you click create citation, you will have your citation. You can do the same thing for a website, and this can save you a great deal of time. Thank you.